RBI policy announced earlier today was a music to the ear of the market. RBI keeping accommodative stance intact and keeping the rates obviously at the same levels encouraged the market. The governor's assurance on liquidity also was well received by the market. Domestic liquidity will remain abundant, coupled with global liquidity, which is also continuing unabated. Indian markets will continue to maintain its positive bias. What will be important in the next few weeks would be the corporate results. There are expectations around a better than earlier anticipated corporate results for the just ended Q2. There are also expectations being built around festival season sales in multiple categories: durables, non-durables, real estate, and many other areas. There are talks of revenge consumption, revenge buying, etc., which are getting displayed in certain sectors and certain pockets. With gradual normalization of life, a lot of industries which have been suffering, namely airlines, hospitality, and others, are also gaining momentum. We believe the Indian investors will do well to continue building their portfolio for long term. Sectors like IT, pharma, specialty chemicals, which are on a multi-year re-rating, continues to offer good opportunities, provided the investor is willing to hold for a year plus. We are also bullish on PSU stocks, both public sector banks as well as other non-financial PSUs. We believe there is significant value in banks like Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, and can move up from current levels significantly. Some of the other public sector undertakings, particularly in the oil and gas upstream and downstream, as well as power sector, have also shown considerable promise and may witness significant upward movement even from current levels. Overall, we continue to maintain positive bias for Indian markets and keep advising investors to be focused on stocks and adopt a bottom-up approach of stock picking at current market levels. Thank you.